Hey people, what's up? This is Nakul again, back with another video for you guys. Well, hell, after a long time. But anyways, today I have the new MI Bluetooth audio receiver. Actually, I bought this for my own personal use, but then I thought why not unbox it and give you guys an hands-on review of it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have the new MI Bluetooth audio receiver. Actually, this product was a part of a crowdfunding program in which you have to place the order in advance, pay them in advance, and if the company meets their certain order quantity, for example 1000 orders in advance, so only then they will produce the product or ship the product in the country, else they will get your money refunded. So I had to place the order for this in advance, and it took around, I think, 15 to 20 days since I placed the order, and it got shipped and got delivered at my home. I think 20 to 25 days. I don't remember exact date, but yeah, it took around 20 to 25 days for it to get delivered to my home. So anyways, let's open it. So this is it. As you can see, pretty tiny, and the packaging is damaged. As you can see, the plastic is broken from here, but I think that happened in the shipping process. Let the camera focus. Here we go. So as you can see, anyway, so what it does looks sealed and stuff. Anyway, so here we go. We have the actual price here, 1199, but I got it for 999. That's the benefit of crowdfunding. You do have to pay in advance. There's no cash on delivery option in crowdfunding, and you have to wait a lot to get your product. But I got it at 999, and the product is here. And I don't think it's still available for everybody on the MI website or anywhere. I don't know for sure, but I don't think it's available. They only shipped it to the people who placed the order in advance. So here I have it. Anyways, let's open it. Finally. So here it is. And here we have it. It's pretty tiny and nice, I would say. Very lightweight as well. So what else do we have? Okay, so we have an aux cable. I don't think I need to open this because as you can see it's a very short aux cable, 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm. People also call it the stereo cable. And then we have the MI Bluetooth audio receiver user manual. So here we go. Jack port, multifunction button, indicator, charging port, 3.5 mm audio cable to connect with any device, and we have the turning on, turning off, charging and connecting, call playing, answer and all that functions. So let's try turning on. Press and hold the multifunction button for. Okay guys, so I have another phone in my hand right now. This is actually my dad's phone, so we're gonna try and connect this Bluetooth audio receiver with this phone. This is actually Redmi Note 4, 64 gigs. So let's try and connect it. Let's go in settings, Bluetooth, turn on, and let's turn on this device. You have to press and hold this button for 5 seconds to go directly in the pairing mode. And here we go. And as you can see, it popped up. So let's connect. And here we go, connected. And I also got my wired headphones here. As you can see, 3.5mm jack. These are actually boat bass head headphones. Here we go. Now you can see boat bass head headphones. The sound quality is pretty nice of these headphones, but these are quite heavy. These earbuds are quite heavy, so they keep popping out of your ears. So in that department, they are not pretty good. But anyways, I'm not giving review of this ones. So yeah, let's plug this in. Okay, so this is not as tight as I expected it to be. Yeah, I expected it to be more tighter, but anyways, so let's open YouTube and play something. So I've already opened up my other YouTube channel. You can go and subscribe to it if you want, whatsoever is the name. And there are not much videos on this channel as of right now, but in future I'll be putting some. So let's try and play this. So I don't know if you guys can hear or not, but they're working. It's working. So yeah, this is pretty great. So I have no idea about the battery backup right now, how much time it takes to charge or how much battery backup it gives. But well, hello, this is working. Let me hear the sound and I'll tell you about it. Okay guys, so as of right now I'm getting really nice sound quality. I mean the bass is good, everything is good, plus this song is in the video and I'm playing it on 480p. Oh sorry, it's on 180p right now. So yeah, the sound quality is good, but again this is not a proper mp3 file or any other sound file. So I'm gonna test this audio receiver with proper songs and everything, and also in my car to check the sound quality. If there's, it's decreasing the quality, decreasing the bass or treble or anything, and I will give you a short review of this very soon, maybe within 2-3 days. So expect that comprehensive review of this device. So yeah, that's it for right now guys. Do subscribe to this channel, Techboy, and do subscribe to my other channel as well, whatsoever. And I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm trying to come back. So anyways, I'll see you later. Do subscribe, and you can also catch me on my Facebook page, Nakul Khanna Techboy. And if you have any questions related to this or anything other, put it in the comment down below. I will try my level best to help you out guys. So yeah, catch you again next time. See you.